Hey, Angel. Yeah! Look at you. You look so beautiful. I admire your hair. Look at you. Hey, baby girl. Yeah! Look at you. You look so beautiful. I want to end up with you. I want to see you in my bed. I want to see you beside me in the morning. I want to see you when I wake up in the midnight. I want to end up with you, babe.
Can you see me?
No, if I don't see anything, I will see you because of you're beautiful, your natural hair, you're looking good, your lips, I feel like just kissing you right here.
Are you okay? Like you can see me?
Yes, I want to end up with you.
Who in his rightful sense will pray to see you if he or she wakes up? Who in his rightful senses would pray to see people like you or somebody like you, particularly you? Who will pray to see somebody like you when he or she wakes up?
An angel like this.
Who is an angel?
Look at her, so beautiful. Look at the hair.
Will you close your mouth? Stop making yourself a
Chief,
fool.
Understand
Understand what? You know whom you are standing with.
An angel like this.
Don't touch.
You don't know.
Don't touch. What makes her an angel?
Look at the hair.
Oh, because she plaited hair, or because he plaited hair, or plaited her hair.
Will you keep quiet?
Look at her now, Chief.
So this
Chief,
boy
understand what I'm saying? You know, I'm looking for someone to end up my life.
Yeah, up now. You are making yourself a fool.
You don't know.
That person you are seeing there is a boy.
She's a beautiful girl. Look at her now.
He's a boy. He's all these artists. Everybody they plait hair. That you do. I not go blame you. You know even get eye, see clear where see person where stand. Yeah, when you all like this, you will go why. You want to end up with her this and that.
Chief, she's actually a guy. You imagine, I just say she's actually a guy.
You learn to be who
But
you are.
look at how she's looking. Imagine me just saying she again. She looks so beautiful like a woman.
Please,
just imagine me saying she.
How is your father?
It's fine, sir.
You told him you saw me. Oh,
I told him, sir.
good.
Take care, sir.
Bye. You see what I'm telling you? You put yourself into trouble one of these days. You put yourself into trouble one of these days. Why do you go around making yourself a fool? I told you each time there is daylight, don't come out. You can come out very soon.
Chief, you know you can't be hunting for a suitor in the midnight now.
But that is only the time you can see.
No, but I'm not a thief. You see, you know those girls who come after me, who are just after my body, they just want to flirt with me, just to end up in the bed with me, just to do things with me. I don't want such. I want to look for someone myself. You sure understand what I'm saying? Look at like Tiwa Savage has been on my neck.
Tiwa Savage, with the musician.
She has been on my neck. Extra, I want to end up with you. I'm like, sorry. This is what you guys have been telling me. You just come, you love me, you want to end up with me, and at the end of it, after seeing my body, you just go. I'm like, why are you girls just like this? Like, look at Inedo has been on my neck. Destiny Tuko.
Even Destiny has been on your neck, or has been on your DM, or has been on the run.
On my neck, on my DM. She sent an email to she's like, expatriate, don't be, I want to end up with you. Look at your skin, you look so natural. You don't. I'm like, come on.
Hey.
She was trying to harass me. I'm like, don't touch me. Like, I almost said to her, look, I'm seeing my message, but I just like, Jesus.
Oh, it's a film laughing.
You know, later Dame. We almost were trying to work on our traditional stuff before. Oh, death is wicked.
Oh, Adam.
Yes, may her soul rest in peace.
Amen. May her soul rest in peace. Or it have been on your body, or this very body had been another body.
Look at me, man, fresh, looking good. You know what I mean?
How can I the one that want
girls are after my life, like not that they want to kill me, they just want to kill me in bed, like slay me. Look at this girl, Queen Wokoye. Are you not suspecting anything at all?
You mean Adamban? No?
Come on, you know what I'm saying? See, after we met in Paris, something came up. Now I'm asking that people are saying that Dombino is responsible. I believe it's me. Can't you see the skin? Oh, can't you see that pretty baby? Can't you see? Are you not reading meanings?
I am reading meanings.
Hey, come on.
I'm reading meanings.
See, in Edo, she has been on my neck. Is it Tiwa Savage that I've told you? Is it a lot of them? But I said, no. This guy, you just want to come and eat me or after eating me, you dump me. That's what they are doing to me. I'm like, no, I gotta look for someone myself.
Yeah. So that is what you have been looking for, and you now saw a beautiful man, and you want to approach.
Yeah, because what I do is I go after their hair because I don't want to spend money.
Oh, you are a hair looker for.
Yes, I sought for them after, like through their hair. I look at their hair. Look at like me now. You know, I have white wings already, so I don't. Do you get what I mean? But I love someone with natural hair.
From stomach, they wear you wig.
Yeah, you understand?
And you don't need another person who will come and wear wig in your house.
And do you understand? I want us to be both natural. That's why they are even dying for me.
Oh, you want your family to be wigless.
Do you understand? Let us just be natural. You know, like if my child wants to go for law now, they don't need wig.
Okay. Yes,
natural. You understand what I mean?
I do. Yeah, man. I understand where you are coming from. The problem
I'm not coming from anywhere. You met me here, so you don't know where I'm coming from.
Whichever way.
Okay.
But please, you have to go home, right? Can you identify your house?
I have to wait here till night. That's what I would do.
Because I would have helped take you home, but I don't think I can dance this dance of shame.
So, Chief, you see, I have a lot of things to do. I have DMs of those young girls going after me, and Niniola, just see me that doesn't want to go after me anymore because she's married. So I have other things. So let me go and attend to things. Okay?
If I look you, say it. Say it.
Do you speak in tongues? If I speak in tongues, you won't be able to.
No, I said I say
Chief, it's okay. It's okay. If you're a girl, I would have gone after you. See you later. You're very funny. I see you later.
You see who later?
I will see you later.
See as you are hurrying, no enter bush. You want to see me later? When me and you stand here, you didn't see me. Now later you go come see me. Eh? A man stand here now, you didn't see him well, oh. No people mother they come, go come see later. You should get boogie letter, Machi. Stupid boy, we go just go sit down for house. Destination ko the rush in Edo. Hey, babe! The money would do ne allow. Look at now, here up now. Just look at him. Eh? You know, Abajere may go to the dance park, like on your park. The dance music went over, they play for you. Want to see me later?